Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about Sony's wireless Bluetooth headphones unboxing and initial impressions. So let's get started.
The box looks clean and neat with combination of black and white colors. There is a Sony branding at the top of the box with its model number specified, and at the bottom 35 hours of battery life, wireless Bluetooth connectivity and noise cancellation features are highlighted. Backside of the box, it shows how each button works and what its functionality, and it specifies its features and components which comes inside the box. So now let's unbox this box in a snap and see what's inside the box. Inside of the box there are headphones, manual, charging cable and 3.5 mm cable. The headphones entirely made of plastic, but it's hard plastic, and I like the quality of the plastic. It's hard plastic and it's pretty good. Due to it's made of plastic, it weighs very less. When you hold it, you know that it's pretty light. The padding for the ear area in the headphones are really smooth and very comfortable. Due to this, you can wear this hours and hours without any problem. But I will check this in long run. Wait for the review video. The padding on the headphone portion also pretty good, and it's really smooth and spongy. Left side of the headphones you have power button, Type-C port for charging and headphone jack slot. Right side of the headphones you can see noise cancellation button, volume rockers and a button for play pause song and to wake voice assistant, and it is useful in forwarding song by double tap and triple tap to go to the previous song. The charging cable looks pretty good in terms of quality, but the length is pretty short. The 3.5 mm cable quality looks pretty good and its length is very long, and I like it. I had used these headphones for a few hours and I like the sound quality from it. The sound quality is pretty good. I mean, the separation of sounds is pretty good. The sound stage is really good. The bass is not that great, but it's pretty good. For the initial impressions, these headphones are pretty good, but I'll use it for long term and use for several things like editing, listening to the podcast and listening to the songs and everything else, and everything what I can do with these headphones, and I'll specify each and everything about these headphones in the review video. Right now these headphones are available at 9,999 rupees. You can call it as 10,000 rupees, but I got it for 9,000 rupees in a discount. So I will use this product and I will let you know whether you need to pay this much amount or not for these headphones.
So right now I'll show you these headphones, how it looks when I wear it. So like this. So that's it guys for this video, but I'll go ahead and use these headphones for 3 to 4 days and check out whether the experience with these headphones are great in terms of sound, build quality, comfort and everything else. So if you are interested in these kind of tech videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.